Hello GATE aspirants, welcome to GATE Chemical Solution channel. This video is made based on last 7 years GATE information brochure. In this video all the information regarding GATE will be completely provided. First is, what is GATE? GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Who are organizing GATE examination? 7 IITs and 1 IISc. Every year one of the institute among these 8 institutions organizing the GATE examination. IITs are IIT Bombay, Kharagpur, Madras, Delhi, Kanpur, Roorkee and Guwahati, and IISc Bangalore are 8 institutions. In 2022, GATE exam was organized by IIT Kharagpur. In 2023, IIT Kanpur is going to conduct the GATE examination. So who are eligible to write the GATE examination? So those who are eligible to write are currently studying in 3rd year or higher year of the any undergraduate program, degree program, or already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science and commerce. So the students belongs to this category can eligible to write the GATE examination. What is the age limit for GATE examination? There is no age limit for GATE examination. You can write n number of times. What are GATE subject papers? As of 2022, around 29 GATE papers are available, which are from 2021 onwards, GATE introduced a combination of 2 paper concept. According to this, first paper is compulsory and the second paper can be choice of the candidate interest. We will see these combinations. Now let's see the important weeks of the GATE examination based on the last 7 years GATE information brochure. Information brochure will be released in mostly in August month. Commencement of online application starts from first week of September. Last date for online application will be first week of October. Last date to change the exam city with additional fee. Somewhere it will be between somewhere 10 to 25th November. The download of GATE examination admit card will start from first week January. GATE exam will be conducted first week and second week Saturday Sundays of February month. Exam results will be mostly on March 15th or March 15th onwards. So when it comes to the examination fee, 1500 for male candidates of general and OBC category and 750 rupees for SC, ST and physically challenged candidates and women candidates. The validity of GATE examination will be 3 years. Initially it was 2 years. They have extended to again 3 years. The mode of GATE examination will be online examination, computer based exam. No manual calculators will be allowed into examination hall. Already inbuilt scientific calculator will be available in the examination portal, so we don't need to worry. So we have to practice how to use the inbuilt scientific calculator before going to examination. When it comes to the examination pattern, The duration of examination is 3 hours. So any gate paper contains 2 sections. The first section is the general aptitude section. The second section is the core discipline section. In general aptitude section, 10 questions are there. 5 1-mark questions and 5 2-mark questions. Total 15 marks comes from general aptitude. In core discipline section, 25 1-mark questions are there and 30 2-mark questions are there. Completely 85 marks comes from core discipline. So GATE exam contains total 65 questions of multiple choice questions and fill in the blanks, which scores marks of a total 100 marks. 1-mark question has a 1/3 of negative marking for wrong answer. 2-mark question has 2/3 as a negative mark for wrong answer. So for fill in the blanks, there is no any negative marking. So this is about the GATE examination. When it comes to the why GATE, so to get the MTech admissions in IITs and NITs, in universities also with MHRD stipend, and to get jobs in public sector undertaking companies. So when it comes to the chemical engineering, especially IOCL, GAIL, GIL, GAIL, DRDO, NPCL, BISBs, BARC, OMPL, SAIL, ONGC, HPCL, MRPL, BPCL, EAL, BNPM. So all these are taken from through GATE only. So if you have valid GATE score, it will be useful for PhD admissions and JRF positions, SRF positions and some research positions also. If you have any doubts related to this one, you can comment in the comment section. If you like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.